Welcome to Reviews Heaven, your ultimate destination for honest and detailed product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of baking with our top 5 best baking pans, the must-have tools every home baker needs. From perfectly crispy bacon to golden brown cookies and fluffy banana bread, we've got you covered with the best pans for every recipe. Each pick is packed with features like non-stick coatings, durable materials, and clever designs that make baking a breeze. And the best part? They're all just a click away. Check out the links in the description box to explore these fantastic baking essentials. So, grab a snack and let's get baking. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. Nordic Ware Naturals Aluminum Baking Pan. Looking for the ultimate cookie sheet? Meet the Nordic Ware Naturals Aluminum Commercial Half Sheet, your new baking sidekick. This 2-pack is not just a pan. It's a baking powerhouse. Crafted from pure aluminum, it guarantees even heat distribution and perfectly browned cookies every time. No more burnt edges or undercooked middles, unless, of course, you forget to set the timer. Here's the fun part. The reinforced steel rim means no more playing pan Tetris with warped bakeware. And the oversized edges? They're like handles made for clumsy moments. Seriously, no more near-death experiences while pulling pans from the oven. Cleanup is a breeze. Pair it with parchment or silicone mats, and voila. But remember, this pan doesn't love acidic ingredients. Vinegar and tomatoes might leave it a little moody. A quick hand wash will keep it happy for years. Proudly made in the USA since 1946, it's more than just a baking tool. It's a legacy. With its sleek design and embossed logo, you're not just baking, you're making history. Number 2. NutriChef Nonstick Kitchen Oven Baking Pans. Meet the NutriChef 3-piece Nonstick Kitchen Oven Baking Pans, the bakeware set that says, "I'm here to make your kitchen life easier and prettier." With small, medium, and large pans in one package, it's like getting a squad for your cookies, casseroles, and roasted veggies. Plus, those bold red silicone handles? Stylish and a lifesaver for Butterfingers. Durability is the name of the game. Made from carbon steel with a non-stick coating, these pans can handle heat up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit without breaking a sweat or warping. And the best part? Food slides off like magic. Say goodbye to aggressive scrubbing sessions and hello to smooth cleanups. Stackable and space-saving, these pans are perfect for tiny kitchens or overstuffed cabinets. Use them in the oven, fridge, or freezer, because who has time for bakeware that's only for baking? With NutriChef, you're not just baking. You're baking with confidence and style. And yes, that means less time scraping pans and more time eating cookies. Sounds like a win-win. Number 3. Farberware Non-Stick Bakeware Baking Pan. Say hello to the Farberware Non-Stick Bakeware 9-inch x 13-inch rectangular cake pan, the ultimate multitasker for your kitchen. It's not just for cakes. It's your go-to for brownies, lasagnas, and even enchiladas. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of bakeware, without the sharp edges. Built to last, this pan is made from heavy-duty steel that laughs in the face of warping. Even heating means your cakes bake evenly, and your lasagna won't have one molten corner while the rest stays lukewarm. And let's talk about that non-stick magic. Food practically leaps out of this pan, so you're not left chiseling brownies out of the corners. Plus, it cleans up faster than you can say, "Who's doing the dishes?" Oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It's ready for whatever recipe you throw its way. Whether you're making a decadent dessert or a savory dish, this Farberware pan is the kitchen sidekick you can count on. It's tough, versatile, and makes you look like a pro, even if your frosting skills need work. Number 4. Amazon Basics Rectangular Baking Bread Loaf Pan. Meet the Amazon Basics Rectangular Baking Bread Loaf Pan set, because 2 loaf pans are always better than one. Whether you're baking a fluffy banana bread, a classic pound cake, or even a no-nonsense meatloaf, these pans have got your back. With heavyweight steel construction, they deliver even heating for golden brown perfection. No weird hot spots allowed. Non-stick coating is the real MVP here. No more prying loaves out with a knife like it's an archaeological dig. Your bread slides out so effortlessly, you might feel like a baking wizard. Oven safe up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit. These pans are versatile for all kinds of recipes. Just a heads up, they're not grill-friendly, so no fire pits for these beauties. Sized at 9.5 by 5 inches, they're perfect for your everyday baking adventures. Hand washing is recommended, but hey, it's a small price to pay for pans that last. From home bakers to kitchen newbies, this Amazon Basics set is a simple yet solid choice for all your loaf needs. Number 5. GoodCook Non-Stick Carbon Steel Baking Pan. Say hello to the GoodCook Non-Stick Carbon Steel Baking Pan and Raised Wire Rack. A kitchen duo so good, it might steal the spotlight from your actual recipes. This set is the crispy food lover's dream, perfect for bacon, chicken wings, and fries that actually crunch. The secret? The elevated rack that lets grease drip away while your food gets all the glory. Made from heavy-duty carbon steel, this pan is built tough but bakes evenly, ensuring no sad, soggy fries in sight. The non-stick coating is a lifesaver. Say goodbye to scraping off baked-on bits like an archaeologist uncovering ancient treasures. Plus, it's PTFE and PFOA-free, so it's safe for you and your family. Need more? The wire rack is a multitasker. It's perfect for cooling cookies, drying glazed treats, or just keeping your crispy snacks grease-free. And cleanup? A breeze. Dishwasher safe and oven safe up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit. It's as easy as it gets. With this set, you're not just baking. You're leveling up your crispy game. Your taste buds will thank you, even if your diet doesn't. Thanks for tuning in to Reviews Heaven. We hope our top 5 best baking pans review helps you find the perfect bakeware for your kitchen. Don't forget, all the product links are in the description box below. Check them out. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.